Alright guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can search for the BIC code or the SWIFT code for any bank in the world, irrespective of the region you are in or the country that you are searching that particular code from. So let's begin by opening our browser and just come to the search bar and just type www.wise.com/gb/swift hyphen codes slash yes, and just press enter and you will be directed to this website. So first of all, what you're going to do over here is that you just select the country that the bank is resided in. So in my case, I'm going to search for Fidelity Bank Ghana. So in the country section, I'm going to type the country over here. Just type Ghana and you just select the bank. Just search for Fidelity Bank Ghana Limited. Yes, and you just select the city, Kumasi. Alright, so after everything, you just click on find SWIFT code and just scroll downwards. So over here, the FBLIGHAC is the SWIFT code. Just ignore the 3 X's over here. That's going to be your SWIFT code for the particular bank you are searching for. Okay, so let's try another country. For instance, if I'm searching for a bank in Canada, just search for just type Canada over here. Just search for instance, if I want to search for the SWIFT code for CIBC, yes, CIBC. Okay, and also the city, Toronto. Alright, click on find SWIFT code and there you have it. You can see that the SWIFT code for any CTBC bank. Okay, this I searched for CTB instead of CIBC, but it's not a big deal over here. So you just focus on the CBCA8. Yes, that's going to be your SWIFT code. Yes, okay, so this is where my video comes to an end. If you found this video helpful, do want to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so that anytime I post any tutorial, you won't be left out. I'll see you in the next video.